Hi, it's Jill and Robert. We recently went on a photo safari to explore a place we heard about, an antique auto graveyard hidden deep in the Greenbelt woods south of Ottawa, Ontario.
So, do we go off to the left here? There's a trail like right up here. So
Am I navigating or are you navigating?
I okay. I guess you're navigating.
That's going to get us back to there, so I think that's not it.
Okay. This way. So we stopped and we used a little bit of technology to get us heading in the right direction. You know, they've cleared the trail for the most part, but it's also kind of wet and we had to take a few detours. Coming into a clearing.
This is the actual Rito Trail now.
Oh, there's Rito Trail markers right there.
Right.
Are we heading in the right direction?
In 50 meters, we're going to turn a right into the bush.
Okay. 50 meters. What's that in American?
So we're going to have to make a right turn into the woods.
Okay, right here there's a trail, see?
Yeah.
That's probably it. What are you smiling about?
Found it.
You found it.
If you need a canned ham, there's one over there.
There's a really old version of a single speed bicycle. Here's the fender right here up in the tree. This looks like it could be a rear view mirror. I flip it over. Oh, and it is. We actually used to have to open cans of beer with a little metal device we called a church key. Gotta be really, really careful stepping over here. I don't really want to go get a tetanus shot. And of course, like everywhere in Canada. Oh, and yet another car. This one's a little more intact. It's like the hood right there. See if I can get over there. Pieces of the transmission. The seat. And if I can get under this tree, there you go. It's like there's been a stencil artist over to this one. This would have been a sporty little thing in its day. This looks kind of familiar. I wonder if anybody could identify this. Well, that was kind of depressing.
And weirdly interesting, but that is the Anthropocene will be forever recorded in geologic time.
So that's kind of like how you describe me. Depressing, but weirdly interesting.
No. This way, honey.
Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Hold on.